Today we're making something healthy and easy for a quick and fast-free breakfast, whole grain omelette. I'm Sumei, a Senior Dietitian at NHG Polyclinics. In today's video, I'll be using oats to cook a savoury dish, less common but equally delicious. All recipes in this series are taken from our I Can't Believe It Tastes So Good cookbook, which has more recipes for you to discover. Scan the QR code now for more recipes. It is a balanced meal with whole grains, healthy proteins and vegetables all in one. This is a great dish if you are trying to lose weight or manage your blood sugar level. This recipe takes 20 minutes to prepare and it serves two. So it can be a quick breakfast or even a light meal any time of the day. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today: oats, eggs, and a few colourful vegetables such as onions, capsicum, mushroom, tomato, and a bit of red chilli. For seasoning, we'll keep it simple, just a pinch of salt and pepper. First, we're going to cook the oats. I'm using 1/4 cup of raw oats here. Add them to some water and cook over medium heat. This will take about 5 minutes. Raw oats have lower glycemic index compared to instant oats, which means they release sugar into your bloodstream more gradually, helping you stay fuller for longer and preventing blood sugar spike. They are also rich in soluble fiber, which is called beta-glucans, that helps lower your blood cholesterol level. If you're not a fan of the usual sweet oatmeal porridge, this is actually a great way for you to enjoy oats in a savoury form instead. Now that the oats are cooked, it should be soft and slightly thick, not too watery, and we'll keep it aside. Next, we'll move on to the eggs. Beat 2 eggs. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. And leave it aside. Now we are going to fry the vegetables. Heat some oil in a frying pan. Put in the onion first. You want to stir fry until they are soft and fragrant. Then add in the rest of the vegetables. We are using 1/4 cup of green capsicum, some butter mushroom, tomato, and some red chilli. You want to stir fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. For this recipe, I'm using canned mushroom for convenience, but you can also use fresh button mushroom if you want more flavour and texture. Of course, feel free to add in any other vegetables you like for extra fibre and nutrients. Okay, once the vegetables are cooked, we'll add them to the egg mixture together with the cooked oats. So give everything a good mix. Now we are going to cook the omelette. So heat some oil in a frying pan. Pour in half of the mixture. Okay, if you prefer not to fry the omelette, you can bake it instead. What you need to do is to just pour the mixture into a muffin tray and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until it is set. When the omelette is 90% cooked, we'll flip it to cook the other side. Okay, now the omelette is done. Lastly, garnish it with some fresh coriander. And now it is ready to serve. I hope you give this recipe a try. It is a simple way to enjoy whole grains and vegetables in your everyday meals. Remember, small changes like this can go a long way in supporting your long-term health.